Get ready for a whirlwind of breaking tech news. From groundbreaking AI advancements in the new Google Pixel 10, we're diving deep into what matters now. Plus, we'll uncover the latest on the massive Google HQ transformation and a bizarre AI interpretation of Elon Musk's Dogecoin. But wait, there's more. A shocking security flaw in Google Drive Desktop could be exposing your most sensitive files. Don't miss a second, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Pixel Perfect, Google's AI authenticity seal. Get ready to see your photos in a whole new light. The brand new Google Pixel 10 is rolling out a game-changing feature. C2PA content credentials integrated directly into its camera and Photos app. This isn't just another filter. It's a powerful tool designed to combat the rising tide of AI-generated and manipulated images. This new integration means that every photo you take with your Pixel 10, and many you edit, will come with a digital signature. This signature, secured by the C2PA coalition, acts like a passport for your media, verifying exactly how it was created. Think of it as a verifiable proof of origin, distinguishing authentic content from AI-generated or altered files. Google is moving away from simple AI versus not AI labels, which can be misleading, towards a more robust system that tells you if an image has a verifiable creation history. The technology leverages the Pixel 10's advanced Tensor G5 chip, Titan M2 security coprocessor, and hardware-backed Android APIs to ensure this provenance data is as secure as possible, even working offline thanks to an on-device timestamping system. Google emphasizes that this system is designed with privacy at its core, using anonymous attestation and one-time cryptographic keys to prevent traceability. The tech world is buzzing about this move towards greater transparency in digital media. While some are hailing it as a crucial step in rebuilding trust online, others are eager to see how broadly this C2PA standard will be adopted across the entire digital ecosystem. The implications for content creators, journalists, and everyday users are immense, offering a clearer path to discerning truth in an increasingly digital landscape. But can this new tech truly keep up with the pace of digital manipulation? Stay tuned as we uncover a critical vulnerability that might be putting your data at risk. Elon Musk's Doge, an AI's bizarre take. What happens when AI tries to make sense of the internet's wildest narratives? For Elon Musk's Dogecoin, the result is a surprisingly strange conclusion from Google's AI search. For a while now, various outlets, including Google Trends Hub, have questioned the true nature or status of Dogecoin, often referring to it as fake or not real due to its ambiguous governmental standing. It seems Google's AI search engine has taken these discussions and processed them in a way that led to a truly peculiar interpretation. According to reports verified by us, the AI has apparently ingested this commentary and formed a conclusion that's, well, pretty out there. Details are still emerging on the exact nature of the AI's final verdict. But the very fact that it arrived at such a strange interpretation highlights the ongoing challenges and sometimes comical outcomes of AI trying to navigate complex, real-world contexts and online discourse. This digital head-scratcher has the crypto community and AI watchers alike intrigued, with many speculating on the broader implications of AI's literal interpretation of nuanced online discussions. It's a fascinating, if quirky, case study in how AI models learn and sometimes misinterpret the vast, often contradictory, landscape of human communication. From digital curiosities to digital fortresses, we're shifting gears. Next, we're exploring the massive physical transformation of a city landmark into a new tech hub. Google's new metropolis, Thompson Center transformation. Chicago's iconic Thompson Center is undergoing a radical metamorphosis, shedding its former skin to become the gleaming new headquarters for Google. This isn't just a renovation, it's a full-scale architectural rebirth, and the progress is nothing short of spectacular. As the Prime Group spearheads this ambitious project, the building's distinctive skeleton is being enveloped in a sleek new glass facade. We've seen permits issued for upgrades to connected transit stations, and the glass installation, which began earlier this year, has now covered a significant portion of the north and west exteriors. A substantial number of new windows now adorn the building's front, facing the bustling streets of the Loop, with work actively progressing to enclose the ground floor. The original architect of the Thompson Center, JAHN, is also behind these innovative renovation plans, with Clark Construction managing the project. The future Google HQ, situated at the prominent corner of Randolph and Clark Streets, is set to welcome employees next year, marking a significant new chapter for both the building and the city's tech landscape. The transformation is generating considerable buzz, with urban development enthusiasts and tech followers eagerly tracking every update. The sheer scale and speed of the glass enclosure are turning heads, symbolizing a major investment and a bold vision for the future of workspace design in a landmark location. But as this new digital city rises, are our current digital tools as secure as they should be? Prepare for a deep dive into a critical flaw affecting millions of users. Google Drive Desktop's hidden danger, a data breach waiting to happen. Trust in one of the most essential file syncing tools is on shaky ground. A newly uncovered vulnerability in Google Drive Desktop for Windows could allow unauthorized access to your most sensitive files without any need for reauthentication. Researchers have pinpointed a critical flaw in access control that essentially lets any logged-in user on a shared Windows machine gain complete access to another user's My Drive and shared drive's contents. This is a massive security lapse, undermining fundamental principles like zero trust, encryption at rest, and secure session management. The danger lies in how Google Drive Desktop caches synchronized files locally. These caches, stored in a hidden directory, are not properly isolated between different Windows user profiles. This means an attacker, or even a colleague on a shared computer, could simply copy one user's DriveFS folder into their own. The application then blindly trusts this copied cache, loading the victim's entire drive data as if the attacker were the legitimate owner. Compounding the issue, cached sessions can persist indefinitely, shattering expectations of data security and privacy. This vulnerability is particularly alarming in multi-user environments like corporate offices, university computer labs, or shared workspaces, where insider threats are a significant concern. The Verizon data breach investigations report 2024 highlights that insider threats account for a substantial portion of breaches, making this flaw a very real and costly risk. This discovery has sent ripples through the cybersecurity community and IT departments worldwide. Until Google rolls out a permanent fix, organizations and users are scrambling to implement interim measures to protect sensitive information on shared Windows systems. The implications for compliance with data protection standards like NIST SB 853, ISO 27001, and HIPAA are also significant. From a critical vulnerability to a lightning round of top stories. Stick around for our rapid-fire recap and your chance to win. And that's a wrap on today's top tech stories. We saw Google Pixel 10 integrating CDPA to verify image authenticity, explored the bizarre AI interpretation of Elon Musk's Dogecoin, witnessed the stunning transformation of Chicago's Thompson Center into a new Google HQ, and uncovered a critical vulnerability in Google Drive Desktop for Windows. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Google Trends Hub for more, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment with your thoughts on these stories, and follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. See you next time.